Good morning, witches. Jessica back, ready to do another DIY using Dollar Tree items this morning for your witchy needs. This is a wreath I picked up at Dollar Tree. I don't like how flat it is, so we're going to take it apart and make it a little fluffier to make our wreath more full. So the first thing we got to do is take all this string off. It is kind of a pain, but well worth it because then you get a nice fluffier wreath. Once that last string is off, which you can see here, I need a new pair of scissors. You're just going to take and pull some of those branches apart just to fluff it out. Don't worry, we're going to put it back together, but we're just going to fluff it first. Alright, we're going to use this Dollar Tree twine. Love Dollar Tree, so cost effective. We're going to open it up, and then we're going to fluff this just a little bit more to make sure it's exactly how we want it. You do it the way you want to. If you want to keep it tight, that's okay as well. I just prefer it to be a little larger because this was a small wreath. Now I've got it how I want it. I'm going to do a nice loose little knot, a double knot at that. And then I'm just going to wrap the twine very loosely around so that there's some movement room for the wreath itself, but not so loose that it's going to fall apart. Okay, we're getting to the end, so we're going to tie that together with the other knot. And we're going to also double knot it, and it is going to be a little bit tight, but that's okay. We'll cover it up. We just need the beginning and end knot to be tight so that it holds it in place. All right, this bunch is eucalyptus. I think it was $2 at Walmart. I know it came from Walmart, but I think the price was only $2. So I'm going to cut these apart. I do try with my scissors. That didn't work, so I had to go get some wire cutters. These are a little bit thicker than the Dollar Tree ones. You can use Dollar Tree greenery. I just like the look of the eucalyptus, so that's what I wanted, and that's what I went with. Do this the way you want to. And if you do it, I would love to see a picture down in the comment section. So here you just see me cutting it apart, and then I try to, you know, move it around and adjust it into where I would like it. See, that greenery is just making it look a lot fuller and nicer. I just really like the look of greenery. So those plants, the first one I showed you, are from Dollar Tree as well, but I chose not to use those, as you'll see when we get further in this. I just showed you some of the greenery that come from Dollar Tree. So here I was having a little trouble with the hot glue gun, so I did go off camera. I did use a combination of hot glue and twine to tie these on. When I used the twine, I used a very small amount so that you couldn't see it. Here it is all completed with the greenery. Now you could always get 2 bunches and, you know, set this up how you want to, but this was the look I liked, so that's what I went with. So again, you might need to use some twine. Oh, this baby breath bunch did come from Walmart as well, not Dollar Tree. Although they do have it at Dollar Tree, I just like the Walmart bunch better. It was $2.48. So go ahead and use Dollar Tree if you want to. So I'm just placing it in after I cut some little pieces off. These at the end I did tack down with a little bit of glue, but it doesn't take very much. And honestly, if you stick it in between the branches, you don't really need the glue. So yeah, these are the white and purple lilacs. I really love these. Those are from the Dollar Tree. I had 2 bunches and end up using both. So when you go doing yours, you can use whatever flowers you want, whatever you're most comfortable with. I just like the simplicity of the lilac with the eucalyptus and a little bit of baby's breath. Excuse me. But you should do this exactly how you want to and what looks best for you. This was just my example. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I loved making it. And I want to see what you make. So don't forget, when you make yours, leave me a comment down below with a picture of what you've made for a wreath. All right, here we are, almost to the end. I have it set pretty much how I like it. You'll notice as we're going through, I do some adjustments, add some more stuff. You just fill in wherever you feel like it needs filled in, because that's what I did. So yeah, I'm going to cut some more baby's breath here and add a few more pieces in. I'm really liking the way this looks. Those wire cutters definitely came in handy. I didn't mean to be out of frame so much. I'm going to really work on that next time I'm doing a DIY for you guys. So I left that little spot at the top to put a ribbon around it, and I went with this Dollar Tree burlap and lace. I also love the look of the burlap and lace. I think it's very pretty and also very simple. So we're just going to cut a small piece off and then wrap it around, as you'll see here in the video. Dollar Tree, most of them carry this, and I would suggest when you see it, picking it up if you like to do a lot of DIYs, because you can do so much with it. You'll see me adjusting a lot of things. I do that during a DIY just so I can get it the way I want it to be. And it looks like I've got it there. Maybe. Okay, here we are, all finished. I'm getting ready to go put it up, but all in all, this wreath costs less than $10, and you could even make it cheaper by buying all your greenery from Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you witches soon.